Good day guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make money through triangular arbitrage trading. So for you to be able to make money through triangular arbitrage trading, you must understand one particular strategy, and that's what I'll be showing you in this video. So if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe and share the video to those that might be interested in them, and let's dive right in. So one of the benefits of this particular triangular arbitrage strategy is that you don't need to send money out of the exchange. You make all your money in this particular exchange using one particular pair sent across different pairs and back to the original pair. This is not complicated, but it sounds complicated, but I'll break it down for you. So we're buying BTC first of all because the opportunity we are trying to exploit is on the BTC area. So we're starting with USDT to BTC back to USDT, then we'll realize at the end whether it's actually profitable, right? So we're buying this with like 2k, right? So make the best profit if there is any, right? Which we'll find out at the end. Now, if you're buying this, we'll be getting, if you buy with 2k, we'll be getting 0.025 BTC. Alright, so just get this out. Now, next thing is to find the coin you want to exploit. So, there's a foreign called TFUEL. That's what we'll be exploiting today. There's an arbitrage opportunity there if you can be patient enough to wait is the queue, right? Now, we have TFUEL BTC, TFUEL USDT, and this is basically how we could know that the opportunity can present or might present itself if you have the pairs on a stable coin and a BTC, right, on a crypto coin as well. So we have it on USDT and BTC. Now we are buying with BTC first of all, right? So let's select TFUEL. So we're buying at the price that is currently here on the buy area here, right? So we'll be putting the amount of BTC we have, that's 2k worth, and we get 171 USDT, right? So if you put the price here, you just have to wait a little bit for the price or the order to complete, because there are a lot of orders, obviously, as you can see right now. Arbitrage trading is time sensitive. If you can't wait, then it's best to leave this opportunity and find another one, because it might correct and it might not, right? So it just depends, and that's basically it. Now let's go over to where we'll be selling. So we got 171, right? 171k TFUEL. So we'll be selling this TFUEL now to USDT, right? So we already have TFUEL. That what it means. So we're selling this TFUEL. So the price on TFUEL is actually increasing. Let's just check the volume here, right? 24 hours volume and 24 hours volume on USDT, and see whether it meets the criteria. So basically, the 24 hours volume on TFUEL is 12 million, and 24 hours volume on USDT is 142k, right? I mean, it's actually pumping now, you can see. So the buys are actually active, right? So that's what we are looking to sell at. We are looking to sell to the buyers. So they are buying, then we have to sell. We are not trading, right? If you want to trade, you can say, as you have purchased, you leave it to go higher, bro. But we're not trading. We're trying to make the best profit as fast as we can and move on to the next one, or do it again and again, right? So we already have TFUEL. Now we'll be selling TFUEL to USDT. That's basically it. Now we'll be selling at, because we want to sell, we still be selling to these buyers right here. So right, these are the buyers area, these are the sellers area, these are the bid, these are the asks. So you put your bid. If they put a bid, you put your ask. But if you want to meet their bid for instant or faster execution, you meet them at where they are when you are selling. Try to understand this, right? Now we have 171k this TFUEL. So if you're selling this, you'll be getting like $23 from one arbitrage trade, right? So the profit here will be $23 at the end of this cycle. And now you can decide whether this is actually profitable for you to go ahead with, right, or for you not to go ahead with. So this basically is where you decide. Now if the opportunity presents itself for you to do it multiple times, but remember the order on BTC is actually bulk orders, right? You're right, because you're not the only arbitrage trader out there in the world. A lot of people have found the opportunity and waiting for the price to fill up, so they will sell and go back. And a lot of people are using money much more than this. So people might be using 10K for this arbitrage opportunity, right? And that's to show you how real this arbitrage trading actually is, right? So if you are making your own money with any capital here, just be contented because it can never be enough, right? So if you make the one you can as well move on because it might take a while for it to fill up for this particular project I'm showing you right now. Others are very faster. If you look at the other area, you see it's actually very slow, right? Even though they have liquidity and volume, they have volume actually, the liquidity is a little bit lesser because the orders are bulk orders on this particular pair. So yeah, the price, the profitability is there, but you should know that the volume is high as well, but you know that the trade will take time because of the orders that is waiting. That's why we're selling at a very cheaper rate anyways. So you'll be selling, if you sell here now, remember the price fell, it was higher than this. So if maybe after all this it will be out here, you can decide to sell and you'll be selling at a faster price, right? Because the others are here. So basically, this is one of the ways you can make money through triangular arbitrage trading. $20 from 2K capital is not bad, right? You can do it multiple times if the opportunity presents itself, or you take the $20 and find other opportunities. That in this is $100, but you have to be patient enough for you to do it, right? So if this is the type of content you're interested in, you can join the mentorship program where I break down more in-depthly on how this works, right? The buy and the sales order, the ask and the bid areas. Because if you don't understand it, you will not be making profits, right? You won't be making money. If you see the opportunity, it might pass you by, right? So you should actually find a mentorship where you will learn stuff that are not shown on YouTube channels. So the mentorship is still currently open on a discount anyways. And one of the benefits is we added to the Signal group for free. Right? The Signal group cost on itself costs $20 and you'll be added there for free without extra charges. So you added to the two groups with one payment and that's like a lifetime access, right? So if you're interested in that, you can DM me and let's get you a role. And if you're new to the channel, I drop content on crypto trading, right? Forex trading, how to make money from the financial market basically. So turn on the bell notification, subscribe to the channel, and share this video to those that might be interested in them. I mean, that's how we grow, bro. So let's go.